So here we are again at Vic Harbour Marina with guys from Maritime Survey Australia, and they're doing the first set of measurements for another heel test on this lovely Sailfish 43. It's a catamaran. The owners want to know what their carrying capacity is, if they can up-spec the carrying capacity. The builder's plate has carrying capacity of 12, and they want to know what their actual carrying capacity is done. And also there's been some extensions and add-ons up top. This aft cover, aft the bridge deck has been extended. So that's probably added a few hundred kilos on top of it.
5.5, 5.7 and 5.5.